Every great design system eventually hits what you might call the maintenance paradox. The better it gets, the more effort it takes to keep it that way. Early on, everything feels aligned, but once real product pressure hits, things start to drift. One off components multiply, documentation falls behind, design and code diverge. Teams spend significant time on repetitive maintenance, updating tokens, creating variants, writing documentation, and syncing with design tools. These tasks follow conventions, require understanding context across multiple files, and repeat frequently. That means they're boring and monotonous. So the question is, can we automate the repetitive parts? Good news is that AI is well suited for design system work. So let me show you 4 practical ways you can automate your design system with AI today. I'm using Builder for these examples, but the concepts apply broadly. Creating comprehensive component variants is tedious. Here's a basic button. It works, but we need size variants, style variants, and all the interaction states. Generate complete button variants, small, medium, and large sizes, primary, secondary, and ghost styles, plus hover focused, active, and disabled states for each combination. That's 36 different button states, all styled properly and accessible, handled automatically, and done in minutes. Documentation is critical, but often falls behind. Here's a modal component that works, but has no usage guides. Generate comprehensive Storybook documentation for this modal component, including prop descriptions, usage examples, accessibility guidelines, and common use cases with code snippets. Component analysis, prop descriptions, realistic usage examples, accessibility notes, generated in about 30 seconds. Keeping design files and code in sync is an ongoing challenge. Design evolves in Figma, code evolves separately, and they drift apart. Update this navigation component to match the Figma design. Maintain existing functionality while adopting the new visual design and layout structure. The AI reads the design, understands the layout changes, and updates the code while preserving existing functionality. It's not recreating from scratch. It's intelligently updating what's already there. One of the most common maintenance tasks is updating your design system when tokens change. Here's a brand refresh in Figma. Nothing crazy, new color tokens and updated spacing in the design library. And here's our app's design system that needs to match. Update the app's design system using the tokens from this Figma file. That's it. It's connecting the Figma library, pulling the token structure, and updating our design system's token definitions. New color values, updated spacing, proper semantic naming, it's all synced. These are just 4 examples, but they represent the type of pattern-based tasks that consume most design system maintenance time. Now, before you rush off to automate everything, there are some important prerequisites. AI automation works best when you have these solid foundations in place. First, consistent patterns. Your design system needs predictable naming conventions, component structures, and file organization. AI learns from your existing patterns, and an agents.md file can help too. Second, version control and testing. Git, automated tests, and a CI/CD pipeline are non-negotiable. AI makes changes quickly. You'll want safety nets. Next, design tool integration. For Figma-to-code workflows, you need an actual connection, token exports, plugins like Builder, or API integrations. Lastly, team alignment. Your designers, developers, and product teams need to agree on design system principles before AI can help execute them. If you're missing more than one of these, automation will likely create more problems than it solves. But if you're already maintaining a design system, you probably have most of this in place. You might just need to formalize it a bit. So, let's summarize. Design systems require ongoing work. That's not changing. But repetitive grunt work can be automated, and we're seeing significant time savings in product teams as a result. The goal isn't to remove humans from the process. It's to free up your team to focus on the work that actually requires human judgment, solving user problems, making strategic decisions, and improving infrastructure. If you want to try this approach with Builder, it's free to get started. Link in the description. Make sure your foundations are solid, then see what automation can do for your workflow.